Hi, everybody. This is Mr. Renner again, and we're going to be talking a little bit about helicopters, another kind of transportation, which is very important. As you can kind of see in the pictures here, helicopters can be very important in disasters. And we're going to look what is happening in these pictures here, and what are the helicopters helping with. This is going to be part of our story today. If you will find your turtle books, your turtle source books, and open to page 186. Right? And I have it right here, and I'm going to show you what this is about. Helicopter rescue at sea. This is a newspaper article, so it is a different genre. It is a non-fiction genre about a newspaper article. In Kauai, Hawaii, November 3rd, Thursday night off of Kauai's north shore, Bruce Camara of Kilauea was in trouble. A U.S. Coast Guard helicopter rescued Camara after a flash flood carried him out to sea. So it flooded and he was washed out into the ocean. Camara was working on his small boat on Kilauea Stream. The severe rainstorm hit 6 p.m. Soon after this, Camara found himself in the water. He was swept into the ocean by the flood. The water came through town just like a wave and just washed through everything, said witness Christine Martin. When she saw what happened to Camara, she called 911. Up here is a graph that says the total number of flash floods in Hawaii. And it looks like in January, February, and March, there's a lot. And then there's a lot again, starting like September, October, and November. Not December for some reason. At about 6:30 p.m., a Coast Guard helicopter arrived. Rescue swimmer David Morris was lowered in a metal basket on a long cable. Morse dove into the water. He pulled Camara to the basket and helped him get back in. Then the basket was lifted to the helicopter. Camara was starting to get numb, said Morse. He did well to hang on in the water for almost half an hour. The currents were very strong. County officials want to buy other forms of transportation for flood rescues. Some cars and boats can go from driving on a road to floating in a flooded river. Rafts are operated like a kite by someone on land, can save a person stuck in deep or very fast water. The floating helicopter basket that Camara was rescued in holds up to 16 people. Rescuers need to have the right equipment, Officer Morse pointed out. Thanks to improvements in rescue transportation, Mr. Camara has a whole new adventure to share. And there's some pictures that you can see of that basket being loaded. It holds 16 people, and they can lower it from a helicopter. Isn't that amazing? Well, that is just another use of transportation, this time to help people. They move people around when they're saving them. Here we have helicopter rescue at sea information sheet. I already told you what genre it was and also whether it was fiction or nonfiction. Did that Camara person actually tell the story in the newspaper article? If so, it would be first person, and it said I fell into the water and the flood rigged me out into the ocean. Instead, if it says he, she, or him, then it would be third person. And then try and do these activities here, okay? Good readers ask questions about this part of the text here. Good readers make inferences. That means they guess from clues using this text right here. I want you to give this a try, even if it is hard. We've been hoping that third graders are actually doing all of the work that we're sending home, okay? We have to keep working. If you have questions, you can always ask your teacher or me. Okay? Have a good day, everybody.